and today we are with Mr. Ace Tan, who is the General Manager of HTWW Magazine. Good evening, Mr. Tan. How are you?
I'm great. How are you today? Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much in this interview, Mr. Tan. So, how long have you been a manager, and how many people have you managed?
I've been a manager for 8 years. I started with a team of 2 writers 6 years ago at HTWW Magazine. And then I transitioned to my current role at HTWW Marketing with a team of 5 writers and 2 editors. In that time, we added a project manager to the team. So I currently have 8 direct reports who give me weekly status reports and receive project approvals.
How would your direct reports describe your management style?
I am somewhat hands-off manager. I like to give my team the tools they need to succeed and then let them do their thing. My staff tell me they appreciate the space I give them to make decisions, but I think they would also tell you I am for guidance when they need it. I schedule monthly check-ins to find out about any challenges or ideas for change.
How has your management style changed as you got more experience?
I used to be more likely to micromanage. I thought I could keep the best handle on my team on our success if I was in charge of every details. What I have learned through feedbacks and experience is that my team can feel smoother I am too involved, and then they are less likely to grow if they don't have room to make choices and mistakes.
What is common way you see people fail as managers?
One of the biggest mistakes I've seen managers make is being less than transparent. Of course, some decisions need to happen at the executive level, but the best teams are led by someone who is honest and accountable. If a manager is not upfront about challenges or changes, they can lose the trust of their team.
When was the last time you had to deal with an underperforming employee and how did you handle it?
A few months ago, one of my graphic designers began to have time management issues. As a result, he was turning things in late and then client noticed. I sat him down and we designed a plan for him to set new timeline goals, and we took a few things off his plate that were slowing him down.
How do you handle your mistakes in the workplace?
As a manager, I think it's important to have personal accountability that sets the standard for the rest of the team. If I don't admit and correct my own mistakes, how can I ask my direct reports to do it? When I know I have made a mistake, I apologize to the people involved and explain about how I will do better in the future so that to avoid the same mistakes again.
How would you describe the most important contributions of a manager in the workplace?
I think keeping employees motivated and on track is one of the most important things as a manager can do. We need to have our fingers on the pulse of what clients or customers need, but also the tools that our employees need to make magic happen. As a manager, I think of myself as somewhat of a conduit between our client and my direct reports. My role is to keep clients excited about our work and keep employees motivated and equipped to create exciting things.
Thank you very much in this interview. I hope and I wish and also the people of HTWW Magazine more success in the future. Thank you.